brace yourselves. It is time for Fun Friday! 145, 146, 147. Oh, hey. Well, hey, Campus Club kids. Oh, you saw me working out here. Yeah, well, you can tell I work out. So, you know what? Why don't we do a little how-to video on how to become as strong as Mr. Steve. Okay, guys. Today we're going to talk about push-ups. Now, push-ups are one of the best exercises that you can do. And the greatest thing about... What was that?
Push-up. Yeah.
And the greatest thing about a push-up is that you can do it anywhere. It builds your chest muscles, it makes you get strong arms, your lat muscles, and your abs. So it is just an exercise that everybody should know how to do. Now this is what a regular push-up looks like. The problem is, these are really hard to do, especially for a kid. So I'm going to show you some exercises that get you to the point where you can do a real push-up just like me. Go for it. Now a beginner does a push-up like this. Go up, find a desk or a surface that's up a little bit, lean over, and do push-up form that way. Are you getting tired, Jesse? Do a few more.
No.
You find the height that works best for you. Higher is a little bit easier, and lower is harder.
No.
The thing to remember is to make sure your legs and back stay straight, and you bend at the elbows. You will eventually be able to do a full push-up. All right, Campus Club kids, now it's time for the fitness challenge. How many push-ups can you do? Take a video of yourself doing as many push-ups as you can. Submit your video on the Campus Club Facebook page or on Instagram. And the kid that can do the most push-ups wins a prize. Well, see you next week.